A little something, something, something like.
Whenever I say I'm gonna do the intro, at the end, I always forget. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss Zafro back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this fro look. I'll insert a picture. I will say since the last time I did this look, my hair has grown, so I did struggle a bit trying to get fro, but it's nothing bobby pins and just, you know, placing curls and areas that it can't fix. So I hope you enjoy this video. I tried to make it a tutorial, but I don't know how it came out. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'll show you how I got to this stage. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, because it helps my channel, it helps, you know, more people see my content, because that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some oil of your choice. This is a mixture of oil: castor oil, jojoba oil, a few drops of peppermint essential oil, amla oil. Yeah, what I do, I just find what's laying around the house. Oh, carrot oil as well, and I just add it into this bowl. You're also gonna need a blow dryer. Literally 2 seconds, this will not take long. And a pick. So yeah, I'm gonna start by undoing these twists that have been sitting like this for about 3 days, so they definitely need to be undone now. But yeah, I'm gonna play some music and undo it. It's probably gonna be like a more visual based video, because I just want to listen to some music, to be quite honest. And it's more just watching and seeing what I do, because you have to play around with your hair, because your hair's not going to react the same every single time you do a particular hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just gonna play some music and start this video. Oh, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because I see you lot that are not subscribing. I see you. I'm watching you, yeah? Also, I decided to do natural lighting because I sort of dislike it, but it's quite gloomy outside. So yeah. So I'm just gonna unravel the curls to sort of speed this video along a little bit, because I can do a whole separate twist out routine video if you guys want me to, and I'll show you the whole process. But I kind of feel like you guys just get the gist, just separate where it naturally separates. So I'm gonna come back when the hair's actually separated and ready to put in to the fro. And I forgot something, so I'll come back and explain what I forgot, because you're gonna need it if you want to fake having a fringe fro sort of thing. So I'm gonna do that, but let me, you know.
Baby, the sound of you, better than a homie. I want you off my mind, and on me.
I'm not sure how it's going to turn out because I left my twists in for 3 days and my hair's stretched out because it was tied like this. So already the curls at the front are not really, because the curls at the front of my hair don't really get as defined. They're looser. It's a weirdness. Trying to film a video here. Sorry about that. Anyway, so the thing I forgot was a stretchy hairband like this, and this is how you fake this sort of fringe look, I guess. You put this, we're gonna ignore that. Put this over, then you bring it up like that, so like a gypsy or something, and then you push the hair back to how you want it, and then bring the hair forward. Now I feel like my hair's grown because what's this? So you're gonna place that a bit further. So I thought I'd switch to a voiceover to explain this portion of the video. I'm just stretching out the roots of my hair a bit and also just giving it a bit more volume because this look works best with the most volume you can get of your hair. So to get the fringe look, I put the headband over my head and pull it up and then bring my hair down. But since my hair's grown a bit, I do use bobby pins. So what I do is I grab some bits of hair, get a bobby pin and place it just behind where the headband is. And what this does, it brings it higher up on the head so it looks more like a fringe look and the hair's out of your eyes. I hope this is clear. I'm trying to make this clear, but yeah. So what I'm doing is literally just finding the best position for my hair here with the headband and then using the bobby pin to pin the hair out of my face so it looks more like a fringe and I'm not having to push my hair up my face every 2 seconds. So here I am pushing it up and then bringing the hair forward. And what I do also is get the bobby pins to push it further back because obviously my hair is long. I hope this works, I hope it's useful, but yeah, back to the video. Okay, we are getting somewhere. I swear when I did this before, it literally took me about 5 minutes to do, but because my hair's grown longer, I've sort of had to figure out a new technique. So if your hair's short, literally it should be easy, but if it's slightly longer, you're going to need bobby pins, and particularly in the middle section of your hair, put the hair further back and then pin it, then bring it forward, because that's what I did. And now the fro look is coming together. I'm just going to pick a bit more, but yeah, my tips is not to stretch out your hair. My mistake was literally leaving my hair for so long before doing it, because that stretches out your hair, because again it was just put away for a couple of days. I think it's best to do it on fresh hair because I think that gives you more volume, but I think we have it. I think we've got it. To pick a bit more here. As the days go by, it gets a bit more bigger and more volume and everything, because I think I'm gonna like this more the second day because my hair will get more poofy. But right now my hair just wants to be flat, so I've never had to go so much with my pick before. I don't know, it's because my hair's changing. I was actually meant to know what I was doing, but yeah, natural hair struggles. Literally sometimes you have to manipulate your hair more than you usually do to get the same or similar results. I'm gonna pull some curls here because it's a bit sparse here, but when I tell you it's playing around with your hair, it is literally playing, because your hair will not want to cooperate with you most days. And as you can see, my hair didn't want to cooperate with me today, but this is the best I can do with my hair right now until it literally has a life of its own, which will probably be later on today, probably. This is the best I can do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't remember to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, sorry it's not like the best tutorial or whatever, because I was figuring it out. When I tell you, it's literally just working out what works for you. I gave you a few tips. If you've got shorter hair, you won't have the same problems as me, you just won't. But because my hair has grown and didn't realize it grown, I literally had to use bobby pins to pin it slightly further back and then bring it forward again. And then I just played around with the front to get the curls in the right places. But yeah, that's how the fro's looking. Again, it's not like the picture, not quite like the picture. I'll probably just title this video "Watch me create this fro, recreate my fro." Yeah, it'll just get bigger with days and then become more natural and it look like a proper fro. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos from me, more hair videos, let me know. I think I'm gonna do a twist start routine, but I don't know when, because I want to put box braids in. I don't have enough hair yet, so I'll probably do the twist start routine first and then buy hair and do knotless braids, attempt to do knotless braids. So that would be like one of my hair videos again. And also I'm trying to create the right aesthetic on my channel, so I'm trying to go for this chill vibe, but also like I have better energy. Like I just have better energy. I don't know, it's more like, I don't know, like I'm a calm person, but I'm also like dramatic. That's it, dramatic. I can be quite dramatic, as you can tell, right? As you can tell, I can be a bit dramatic. So I think it's chill dramatic on my channel, which is so weird, but yeah, again, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm actually going to film a makeup tutorial now, so that should be interesting. I'm gonna have to put my hair, that's you know, that's for a whole nother video, because yeah, but I brought the fro back. The fro is back. It's looking cute.